بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إلا المودة في القربى صدق الله العظيم وبلغنا رسوله النبي الكريم الأمين الرؤوف الرحيم. Honorable judges, respected audience, media representative, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to congratulate the team of Islamic Student Federation for organizing such a beautiful and historical event today. Dear audience, today the topic of my speech is the mutual respect between Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala an and the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Being a true Muslim, we have to love the companions of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Because about his beloved companions, he said, أصحابي كالنجوم فبأيهم اقتديتم اهتديتم أو كما قال عليه السلام. My companions are like the stars, which you will follow, you will be guided. In the same way, we have to maintain a relationship of love with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. As regarding them, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, مثل أهل بيتي مثل سفينة نوح أو كما قال عليه السلام. My family is like Nuh's ark. He who boarded it, it was saved. Dear audience, the companions had a very respectful relationship of love. The companions had a very respectful relationship with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. The companions had a very respectful relationship with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Regarding them, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, مثل أهل بيتي مثل سفينة نوح أو كما قال عليه السلام. Dear audience, the companions had a very respectful relationship with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Hazrat Abu Bakr was, the companions had a very respectful relationship with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Dear audience, the companions, dear audience, at last I would like to say that both Ahlul Bayt and Sahaba are the crown of our heads. In this, we love and respect both. May Allah help us to follow the teachings of both. Be happy and have a nice day.